Well, today actually kicks off my summer series edition, and we are going to be starting here in the kitchen, decorating in the coastal farmhouse look and feel. Now, I've had a handful of people express to me that they're a little confused as to which route I'm going for summer. And so I hope I can clarify this with you. I'm going to be mixing my farmhouse decor with my coastal and merging the two together. Does that make sense? So some rooms may be more farmhouse, some rooms may be more coastal, and some will be a good mix of the both. I will also be mixing in a little bit of Tuscan here and there. Stay tuned for that. So I guess we'll start here on the top of the cabinet. This cabinet's been through a lot of moves, so it's a little scratched on the top. We're gonna conceal it with a hand towel that I got from at home last year. So what I'm gonna do is, I'm just gonna throw this right here. And I kind of want it just kind of spilling over the edge, just like that. By the way, I don't get into these drawers very often, so having this kind of spill over the edge, no biggie. Before I start adding on my decor, I don't want this to get in the way when I try to put this on the wall. I've got this cute little sign. It says decks, docks, and flip-flops. How cute for summer. And I got this at Home Goods last year for $9.99. All I did was put some thumbtacks on the wall, and I'll slip this onto them. Next up, I'm going to be adding a cake stand right to the top of that. And inside the cake stand, I'm going to place this beautiful faux apple pie. Now, I have a dear friend, Lucy, who is also a subscriber of mine, and she and I often text back and forth, and she'll, share with me some of her displays in and around her house, and she has the cutest kitchen displays with faux food. And one time I commented on one of her pies and I said, "Where did you get that?" And she said, "Oh, I got it from a lady off of Facebook. She makes them." And to my surprise, she sent me this. So thank you, Lucy. I absolutely love it, and it smells legit like a real homemade apple pie. It's amazing. And doesn't it look like it's dusted with sugar? I love it. So I'm gonna place this in the cake stand, and then we'll place it. Seriously, how cute. Cute, cute, cute. I had a little idea, add a little texture beneath it. So I just grabbed this cute little wreath, and I'm gonna place it underneath the cake stand. Now that's better. Now I always have to have some sort of ambiance, whether it be a lamp or a candle. So I've got that for my ambiance, and now I'm gonna add this cute little starfish. And I'm gonna set it right beside the lamp. Now remember, I said I did an online order with LTD Commodities. This is one of the items I purchased, and I got two of them because I loved them that much. And I'm gonna be using both of them in my display today, but it's galvanized steel, and it's cute chicken wire, like with a cloche top. Super cute, and by the way, it was super cheap. Also good quality, so that was a plus too. Now, I also love things that look like candles, right? So this is one of my latest little inventions that I am loving and will be doing in various spots of my house. Anyway, I've got this cute little wreath. I believe I got this at Joann's through an online order. And I'm gonna place this in here just like that, right? Now look what I'm gonna do. So I love things that mimic a candle, and this is a wax warmer from Walmart. I believe it was $17.99. You can order these online, and I think you get 2 days shipping, or you can go there and get it if you happen to be there. But anyway, I love this, and I just ordered another one because I love it this much. You can see it's plugged in behind the cabinet, right? What I'm gonna do is take it and set this in here, just like this. And then I'm gonna put my close top over it. So I've got some texture, I've got some light, and then I've got this cool, you know, chicken wire for farmhouse style. And I think this can go coastal or farmhouse, but I think it is adorable. So you could leave it just like that, but I really like the chicken wire over the top, and I think it makes for such a cute display. So you can see the bottom shelf is done, and I think it looks really cute for summer. Now I'm gonna skip to the top shelf. You know what, actually we're gonna add the wall decor first. So you guys may remember I picked this up at the at-home store, and it says famous fried pies served daily. And I'm gonna hang that up at the top, and how cute is it that I've got a pie down below? Super cute. I know it's not a fried pie, but it will suffice. I think it's coming together pretty cute. So I think I'm gonna start with the top shelf, and then we'll go to the middle shelf, and we'll do that last. So you guys may remember I purchased these little wood farmhouse shelves from Amazon, and I really think they're cute because they're actually supposed to go like this on a wall. And I mean, I think they're really made for kids' bedrooms. Like in the pictures, they showed little books and stuff displayed, but I'm using it this way as sort of a riser. And I love it because it's kind of rustic and distressed, and it can go farmhouse or coastal. But what I'm gonna do is angle it, you'll see. So what I'm gonna do is take this, again, I'm using it as a riser. It works out perfectly, and I'm angling it like that. Now remember, I purchased 2 of these from LTD Commodities because it was so cheap I could get 2. And I'm gonna put that up on the shelf. I'm keeping the top shelf rather simple. I've got this candle stand, and then I also got this from the at-home store on clearance, and I'm gonna place it in here just like this. And then I purchased these new LED flameless flickering candles. Oh, you can't see because the lighting is so bad. Check it out. I love these. I'll link them below for you because these are new for me. I usually get the little fat short ones, and these are the skinny versions. Anyway, I am going to put this up top for ambiance. Now I think I'm going to add a little greenery right there. So I think that looks pretty cute. So now, I have another one of those little shelves, but I'm using it as a riser. Now because I went this way, I'm gonna come over here, and I'm gonna come this way, just like that. So I found this charger downstairs in the basement, and some of you may be saying, Liz, that's a Christmas charger. It probably is, you know? Who am I kidding? But you know what? I love it because it's shimmery, and to me, it kind of reminds me of the ocean glistening. To this, I'm going to be adding these plates to it. So I'm going to be putting these in a plate stand, and that will act to fill in that space over there. change of plans. I'm gonna take this down for a second. I've got this white chalkboard tray with little handles, Hobby Lobby. I'm gonna place this as a backdrop. Now I've got this coastal wreath with seashells and all kinds of stuff on it. I love the colors. I love the green grass on it. And I'm gonna use this as a backdrop as well. And look at how cute the starfish is. Now I'm gonna add back my little riser, and I'm still gonna angle it just like that. And I know what I'll put on it. My little rocking horse seabird, and I'm gonna put him right there and add one more thing. Last but not least, I'm gonna be adding this cute little apothecary jar. I got this on Amazon a while back, and I'm gonna add some sand and seashells. And now I've got this little bag of seashells. So I'm just gonna drop some in there. They all kind of look the same, but I don't think I'm gonna put a lot in there, just, you know. So I'm gonna place this right here. I think that's gonna do it for my little display here in the kitchen. I usually like to use this as sort of my focal point, and I'm gonna do less is more all in the kitchen, but you'll see. I'm not gonna give you the full reveal because we're gonna be working on the rest of my kitchen on Friday, and you'll see it all come together. Alright guys, that's going to wrap up my video for today. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Come back and see me on Friday because I'm going to be doing some really cute coastal stuff here in the kitchen, and it will tie it all together. So stay tuned. Have a wonderful rest of your day. Love you guys so much, and mwah, sending you guys hugs and love. Bye guys.